My research focuses on a disease that affects brain and spinal cord. It's called multiple sclerosis. We study role of trillions of microbes living in our gut. We refer to them as microbiome. Think of them like little minions which normally help keep us healthy. But in diseases like MS, some turn into bad minions and do the opposite. Our research has helped identify which microbes are helpful and which ones are harmful. We are uncovering evidences that food has a huge influence on which microbes thrive and which don't. Our goal is to discover how to use food and microbes as a potential therapy for MS patients. I believe the future of medicine might just begin in the gut.